Fine. Then we have seen how to transfer a single character in a word. Now this is our task. So now we want to transfer this one. Welcome to MPMC lecture. Okay, at baud rate of 9600 serial. So this is what the data which I want to transfer. कैसे करें? लगाओ देखो. So far, we have seen how to transfer a single character. Then we have seen how to transfer a word, that is YES. Okay, and now let's suppose we want to transfer some sentence or some message. So welcome to MPMC lecture. So this is what the message we want to display, or we want to transfer it serial. कैसे करें? Help me. And this will help you in programming the thing, the which you see in a train. Ki, welcome to the Central Railway. Then next station is Vidya Vihar Jogi. If you just learn how to display this particular message, then you will learn how to display what other message we want to display on any display. Okay. Now I want to display this welcome to MPMC lecture. कैसे? Yes, anyone help me? Display तो करना है. कैसे करूँ? Display means I want to send it serially. That's it. अब सेंटेंस है, अभी तक जैसे एक वर्ड एंड एक अल्फाबेट के साथ खेला ना, अब एक्चुअल सेंटेंस के साथ खेला. बोल, अब ले लो ज़रा. Will I say कि move as buffer comma W then क्या था वो JNBTI then CLRTI then move as comma E वैसा करूँ?
बहुत बड़ा होगा सर.
बहुत बड़ा होगा, उससे काम तो बनेगा तेरा, मैसेज तो डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा, बट वो गधा मैसेज हो जाएगा. अब क्या करूँ? And let's suppose if I want to change the message तो पूरा प्रोग्राम कर सकता है ना, फिर से नहीं आएगा. If you have to write a generalized program so that मतलब यूजर को जिसमें बोलेगा कि मैसेज आते ही इधर में डिस्प्ले कर दे. How to do that? Now what can be done? Let's see. Try to understand क्या करूँगा मैं. ठीक है? So here what I will do is that I will just consider the internal RAM. समझो अभी कैसे करना है. If you have to display some message. So here I will take help of my internal RAM. Now these are the 20 letters actually. Okay, let's suppose it is started from 30. I'm using from the 30 hours. Okay, why? Because 0 to 1M that is for the bank, and then 20 to 2M that is for the scratch pad area वगैरह, and 30 के आगे channel book. So let's suppose 30 के आगे use करो. ठीक है, so we know 30 to 7M सब खाली है जो मांगता है वो. ठीक है, so here what I'm doing is this is the location 31 32 33 35 36 39 3A, and likewise we require some more than. Why? Because now listen, this is the message which I will store into the memory first. I will store into the RAM first. Okay, so I will just store like this. So I will just ask user to store that message into the memory, or what are the sentence we want to display, the whatever the information we want to convey into the RAM first. Okay, so here we have to just put that W का ASCII code. If I just write like this one, so what it means कि W का ASCII code is present over there. Okay, then welcome. Now keep in mind कि space भी एक character होता है. ठीक है, so here actually this particular sentence how many characters are there? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then spaces is the character 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 2 3. So total we are having 23 characters. Are you getting it? ठीक है, so keep in mind even you have to, or even you have to count the space, because space भी एक character है, उसके लिए भी कुछ ASCII code है. Are you getting? Because we press a space bar on keyboard. Are you getting? मतलब कीबोर्ड से जो भी आता है ना, हर एक को ASCII code. Are you getting it? ठीक है, so now this is one of your the space bar also. ठीक है, so total where अभी कितना count है? 24 something ना, so 24 characters मुझे पास करना. ठीक है, so that everything I will just put it over here. So space I select it just. ठीक है, वो अंडरस्कोर का साइन उसको डबल इनवर्टेड कॉमा में डालेंगे. ठीक है, then welcome to, then once again space and like. So this message I will first of all store into the RAM, and to store into the RAM, that this is going to be the easy, मतलब ये store कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, अब उसके बाद how will you display? Let's see कैसे करेंगे. So first step for the serial communication program is what? First set the T mode. ठीक है, so I will just set T mode to what value? 20H. Okay, once the T mode is set, then we have set the T1, and that will mode 2. So we have to move that actual count to the th1. So I just say move. I hope you are getting it. अगर नहीं समझ तो please ask. It's very important. Fine. So 0, let's suppose fdh. That's the count which I have moved. Okay. Then we have to set that scon. So I will just say move scon, hash 50h. Now by the time I hope you understand मतलब ये values क्यों move किया मतलब 20 fd and 50. What is the meaning of this one? Okay. Then after that I will just start the timer so that it will generate the specific baud rate and we can just keep on sending the data. Getting it? Then, so once I start the timer, we have to now just we have to paste this particular data from the memory. We have to get it into the register and then you have to send it to the S buffer. Fine. So this is what I have to do. So how I do is simple. So first of all, this particular location I will just move into some register. So I will just say move. So move R0, hash 30. समझो भी कैसे कर रहा हूँ ये लोकेशन मैंने R0 में मूव किया then उसके बाद I will just take one count also because it's not कि we have to just keep on incrementing and we have to keep on displaying the message we do have only 24 characters ठीक है so वो count पहले move करो so I will say move R now this is in hexa move R1 hash let's suppose 20 now here I'm not writing hexa so this is what this will just convert this number into the decimal and we just convert into the its hexa format are you getting it ठीक है so 20h sorry 24h and just only 24 they are different. So when I say that 24 only to is consider this as a decimal, and if I say 24h, that will consider that 24 in hexa. Getting it? So we have counted in the decimal, so I'm just writing 24. That h name I don't understand. Danger. Getting it? So in a R1 I have to smoother count with how many characters I want to this. Right? Then I'm saying just like this. Like what I said, move a comma at the rate R0. Try to understand what I'm doing. Okay, so from 30 I'm just taking that content or the ASCII character and I'm just taking the A. Okay, after that I will just say increment R0 because I just want to go to the next location. Okay, and after that I will just say A call transfer. Fine. ठीक है एक और ट्रांसफर अब उसमें क्या करना है सिंपल जो पहले किया था कि व्हाट आर द ए का डेटा हम जस्ट मूव टू द एस बफर से मूव करके देन वी चेक फॉर दैट टीआई फ्लैग टीआई जब तक 0 नहीं आता तब तक वेट कर जैसे 0 जैसे 1 हुआ हम क्लियर इट एंड वंस अगेन जंप टू द नेक्स्ट लोकेशन लाइक दिस ठीक है so I'm just saying increment R0 a call transmit a call this particular if we just go for transmission and once we transmit single character then we will decrement the count are you getting it once I transmit one character then we will just decrement the count so that's why I just said DJNs here. Okay, now the count is in R1, so I will say R1 and then let's suppose up and now that up will come at up कहाँ पे लिखूं? Where to write this up? Yes. Where should I write this label up? यहाँ पे लिखूं? वो R0, 30. Come on. Where to write this up? Decisions in R1 means एक कैरेक्टर ट्रांसफर किया उसको डिक्रीमेंट किया जब 0 नहीं है तो फिर से ट्रांसफर किया ठीक है but where to write this up and what instruction this first second third की fourth कहाँ पे लिखूं come on tell me where to write this decisions in R2 मैंने लिखा है sorry R1 लिखा है but where to write this up whether it should come at move R0, hash 30 move R1, hash 24 or move A, at the R0. Hello, am I audible? Disha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Recording start किसने किया मैंने कि sorry याद क्या है
हाँ.
so where to write that up where to write that up where to write that up अरे यहाँ पे ना because now we want to fetch the next one because increment R0 तो की है तो R0 is around the new address 31 ठीक है so I'm just saying move A, 31 and उसको से ट्रांसफर होगा are you getting it ठीक है so now that is not the simple message ठीक है and उसके बाद if you transmit it again and again if you do मतलब transfer this particular message again and again roll करना है ठीक है अब जैसे sjump I suppose up one and then up one will come over कहाँ पे let's go down that's it are you getting it so this is how I can transfer whatever message we want serially to the any display getting it okay so now this will be the method now this is the program which is the generalized one now if someone asks you this display something another message then just go to the memory ठीक है, change the message or just replace with the message which you want to send and then just change the count. That's it. So this is going to be a universal program to transfer whatever you. Are you getting it? अभी इसके बाद जितना लंबा तेरे को मैसेज रखना है you can just transfer it. ठीक है, हाँ अगर बहुत ही ज्यादा लंबा है तो फिर क्या करते हैं, use XML. So in that case you have to just use a DPTR. That's it. Are you getting me? What I'm saying? Are you understanding it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once again, say what you have done. Yeah, very good. So once again, how to transfer that message or what are the user want to transfer? So क्या करेंगे? It's just simple. First of all, we just store that message into the internal RAM. We will not do change in a program again and again. ठीक है? Just एक दो changes करेंगे and खत्म. We want to write a generalized program. Okay. So I will just ask the user. You just enter your message into the RAM from 30 location onwards. Okay. Then after I just give the count कितना है. ठीक है? उसके बाद just start writing a program. So move T1, 20 because I want timer 1 in a mode 2. Move th1, fd because this is the value for 9600 baud rate. Okay, then move s1, 50 because I want to use that 8-bit का communication mode. then set bit tr1 baud rate चालू हो गया. ठीक है, उसके बाद move r0, #30 because first of all we have to move the 30th data to the r0 and then I'll be using as an address. ठीक है, then move r1, 24. now this one is a count, how many characters we have to say, so that count is here. Okay, and I'm saying move a comma r0 means to go to this location, whatever the ASCII code for this capital W that will just fit into the A. Okay, then I'm saying increment r0, you can just do it later on also, but okay, here I'm saying that increment r0. So because of this one, that r0 are connected to the next one because we have just copied this W connected to the A, now we can just go to the next one. Okay, then I'm saying a code transmit, so we have to just write the transmit program also. Very important. Here what we will do is that I will just say move sbuf comma a, fine, then sbuf में ट्रांसफर किया तो उसके बाद we just keep on checking कि complete transfer हुआ कि नहीं. so for the chain reach अपने bit p है, it was here अगर ये set हुआ मतलब complete character transfer हुआ है, then we have to just clear that p है and once again return to the go for the next character. Getting it? ठीक है, so once when I say the एक और ट्रांसफर we just come over here, W का डेटा बाहर भेजेगा, W सीरियली बाहर गया, if you check कंप्लीट हुआ कि नहीं, जैसे कंप्लीट हुआ TI को क्लियर कर, उसके बाद रिटर्न मींस व्हाट, just come over here. ठीक है, तो DGN then R1 को इंक्रीमेंट मारेगा, 0 नहीं है फिर से अब. So now once again move A को एंटर ट्रांसफर, now in R0 पे आने का 31, तो अभी E जाएगा and likewise जब तक ये काउंट 0 नहीं होता ये सेंड करेगा. ठीक है, and if you want to say this message again, जैसे HM up to 1 फिर से मैं लोड करेगा, R0 का वैल्यू से 31 फिर से काउंट लोड करेगा and it will just keep on doing it. So if you just keep on transferring this, welcome to the NPMC lecture continues. ठीक है, have you understood? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now do one thing. अभी आप प्रोग्राम लिखो. A power of shit. What happened? Break. Guys, आवाज आ रहा है मेरा?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. यार Bluetooth बंद हो गया. ठीक है, no problem. Yeah. So now what you have to do is that now you have to display your own name. ठीक है, whatever. Let's suppose I'm saying Mahesh. Okay. Varam. Okay. So you have to just write a program to display your own name. Fine. Serially at the body of let's suppose 2400. ठीक है, बस इतना ही करना है. You have to just continuous, not continuous. You have to just display this your name once. एक ही बार करना. ठीक है. So try to write the program for this one. खुद लिखो अभी. आपका खुद का नाम डिस्प्ले करना है. Name as well as surname. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे स्पेस है. नेम होने के बाद यहाँ पे एक स्पेस है. ठीक है, जस्ट मॉडिफाई द सेम प्रोग्राम टू डिस्प्ले योर नेम करो. But the body is now 2400. And if I ask to store this particular message to the external RAM, कर लोगे? Will it be possible for you? ठीक है, let's suppose modify क्या करना है, modify करना है. Let's see. ठीक है, आपका नाम डिस्प्ले करना है. Try it here itself. I will give you the 10 minutes. ठीक है, आपका नाम डिस्प्ले करना है. Now this is the name or whatever you have to store from let's suppose 2000 onwards. 2000 means what? Now it is going to the external RAM. It is going to be external RAM. ठीक है, वहां पे स्टोर करना है. अब वहां से मैसेज उठाकर डिस्प्ले करना है एट दिस पर्टिकुलर पोर्ट्रेट. ठीक है, चलो काम करना चालू करो. 10 मिनट दे रहा हूं आपको, करो. खुद का नाम आपको डिस्प्ले करना है. टेक पेन पेपर जो मांगता है लो.
Otherwise, you can just type on mobile also. I don't care. But try to write the program. खुद का नाम डिस्प्ले करना है. First of all, you have to मतलब it is assumed that you have stored this particular name in an external RAM. It is not an internal because we'll be using external RAM queue. अगर message बहुत बड़ा रहेगा. So in that case, I will go for external RAM. Fine. So now the message is in external RAM. उसको उधर से उठाना है और serially फेंकना है बाहर. करो. I'm not going to help you. आपको खुद को करना है. Just hint here you have to use a DPTR. And the instruction will be move X. I hope everyone is practicing or everyone is just doing the program to display your name. I've just given you the situation, you have to program accordingly. I'm giving you the 10-minute. Come on, do it. If anyone is getting, you can put in a chat box so that I can check whether the program is right or wrong. But keep in mind, I'm not going to give you the answer. Yes, anyone with the program? Have you understood the situation or a program statement? क्या करना है? It's once again simple. because you must know if the data is stored in external RAM, then how to transmit it via serial communication. For that I'm taking this example. Two more minutes, then I will switch to the next program. Anyone with the program? Because I'm not going to use a solution. Wrong रहेगा तो भी चलेगा. But please send in a chat box. You have to display your name and you have to assume your name is stored in external RAM from 2000 location onwards. वहां से डेटा उठाना है और सीरियल कम्युनिकेशन में सीरियल पोर्ट पे बाहर भेजना है. I hope the problem statement is clear. One more minute. Is anyone trying at least? सब लोग ऐसे ही बैठे.
Yes, sir.
अरे thank God. Someone is trying. I'm happy. Riya and I think Disha replied. बाकी सब लोग क्या आइडल बैठे ऐसे ही. जब सर नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम लेंगे तब देखेंगे. तब तक चिल मारो. Okay. Anyone getting the answer? It's really easy program. Nothing great in that. What is it? Anyone with the program? Chalo, let it be. You can try it later on. How to take two more programs. Yeah. Let's. Now this is all we have seen regarding how to transmit a data. Okay. Keep in mind while setting that SCON, we have set it to the 50, and in that while setting the 50, we have just taken care that it will receive also. We have just made that REN enable. Okay, so this all the program we have just written for the transmitting. Now let's suppose we want to write a program for receiving a data. अब receive कैसे करेंगे? Can anyone tell me how to receive a data? If anyone those are understood the transmitting a program. ठीक है? अभी receive कैसे करेंगे? How to receive a data? Yeah, how to receive a data serially? मतलब स्टेट कभी जाता ही नहीं. Yes, how to receive it? Anyone? Once again, task is this: suppose you have to receive a data serially. Once again, at a baud rate of let's suppose 9600, which is a famous. Okay, and after receiving it serially, you have to transfer it to the port 1. Okay, so we have to receive data serially. Okay, on RX line. Okay, and after that transfer it to port 1. मतलब serially receive करना है and parallelly मुझे उसको बाहर भेजना है. ठीक है, कैसे करोगे? Now once again if you have to set that all the body and all ना तो वो पहले का setting वो as it is रहेगा. That what सर हमें program कैसे रहेगा? ठीक है, to receive a data. We are writing a program to receive a data. Fine. So the setting will be the same. Move tmod comma hash 20h. ठीक है, then move th1 comma hash if it is a 9600 the fdh, otherwise you can just use the appropriate value. ठीक है, if it is not given baudit then you can just say he assume baudit of 9600. Fine. Then I'll just say move ascon comma hash 50h. Now whenever I transfer to 50, yes, receive is unable, receiving is also unable. ठीक है, and then you have to say set b tr. ठीक है, टाइमर चालू किया. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या करो, नेक्स्ट क्या करो, कैन एनीवन सजेस्ट नेक्स्ट क्या करो? मैं डेटा रिसीव कर रहा हूं. ठीक है, कीप इन माइंड डेटा रिसीव मतलब व्हाट, वो एस बफर में आएगा, समझो 8051 है. ठीक है, इधर मेरा P3.0 P3.1 है. ठीक है, 3.1 मेरा RxD है, एक उसको डिवाइस कनेक्टेड है. अब ये डेटा सेंड करेगा, इसको सेंड कर जैसे रिसीव होगा मतलब इट विल पॉसिबल टू स्टोर इनटू द एस बफर. एंड जैसे पूरा 8 का 8 बिट आ जाएगा देन आई हैव टू स्टोर इट, मतलब आई हैव टू मूव इट समवेयर. एंड उसके बाद जैसे सपोज पोर्ट 1 है यहाँ पे और कुछ तो एक डिस्प्ले वहां पे मुझे डिस्प्ले करना है. कंडीशन समझो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक डिवाइस है फ्रॉम विच यू टू रिसीव डेटा सीरियली एट 3.0. ठीक है, रिसीव पे रिसीव करेंगे, दैट विल गेट स्टोर इनटू द एस बफर. जैसे एस बफर में स्टोर हो जाएगा पूरा का पूरा 8 बिट, उसको मुझे इफ यू वांट यू कैन मूव इट टू सम रजिस्टर एंड फ्रॉम द रजिस्टर यू कैन मूव इट टू एनी पोर्ट. तो अभी पोर्ट 1 पे सपोज कुछ तो और एक डिस्प्ले, ठीक है, वहां पे मुझे उसको डिस्प्ले करना है. जैसे सपोज यहाँ पे एलसीडी डिस्प्ले जो पैरेलली कनेक्टेड है, ठीक है, उधर मुझे डिस्प्ले करना है. कैसे करें? इधर मैंने सेट बिट टीआर 1 बोल दिया, उसके बाद क्या करूं? Shall I say directly that move a comma sbuf? What do you say? Shall I say like move a comma sbuf? Yes or no? Or we have to check something? Because this one is the instruction for receive. When I say the move a comma sbuf, मतलब sbuf का डेटा a में आएगा, मतलब मैं रिसीव कर रहा हूँ something. sbuf में कुछ तो आया, उसको मैं ले रहा हूँ accumulator में. ठीक है, ठीक है. So this was the instruction for the receiving. But before that, do we need to check anything? क्या बोलते हो? Yes. Do we need to check anything? Come on. रिसीव करना डेटा क्या करूं? एसकॉन में कौन सा फ्लैग है जो चेक करना पड़ेगा? While transmitting, what do we do? Which flag we monitor?
Receiving unable.
Sorry? Yes, 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 please. While transmitting यहाँ पे एक आए ना कुछ तो TI करके, उसको मॉनिटर करते हैं ना. अब रिसीव करते वक्त क्या करूं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू टू एंश्योर ना कि पूरा का पूरा डेटा एसबफ में आया है. और वो कौन बोलेगा? Which one is the flag which is responsible to confirm whether you have received that complete character or not? That is RI ना. That is the function of RI. मतलब whenever it will receive that complete 8 bit का character, तब जाके it will just make RI is equal to 1. And RI 1 हुआ, इसका meaning क्या हुआ? If the RI is 1 means what?
That
complete character has been received. Fine, complete character has been received. And now you can just take it into the 8051 का किधर भी मतलब किसी भी रजिस्टर में डालना डाल सकते हो. ठीक है, तो मीन्स व्हाट, व्हेनेवर आई स्टार्ट दिस टीआरओ, जैसे मैंने पोर्ट्रेट चालू किया, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू फर्स्ट, बिकॉज़ वी वांट टू रिसीव, तो पहले चेक करना डेटा आया कि नहीं. मीन्स व्हाट, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेक फॉर आ रहा है. समझो, मैं रिसीव कर रहा हूँ, ट्रांसमिट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ट्रांसमिट के बाद फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मूव द डेटा इन द एसबफ एंड देन यू हैव टू चेक ट्रांसमिट हुआ कि नहीं. ठीक है, बट नाउ इन रिसीविंग व्हाट यू डू इज दैट यू हैव टू फर्स्ट चेक आ रहा है एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक डेटा फ्रॉम द एस बफर. ठीक है, सो हाउ विल आई डू सिंपल, अब जैसे JNB जंप बिट आ रहा है, अगर आ रहा है 0 है तो इधर ही जंप कर, मतलब डेटा अभी तक पूरा रिसीव नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, you just keep on jumping over here and once that RI is equal to 1 means what, now the data is available in the S buffer. अब उधर से उठा के A बेटा, are you getting it? ठीक है, now the data will be in the A, but after that we have to just move to the port 1 also. अब कैसे मूव करूं? It's simple. How to move to the port 1? The data which is in A, मुझे ले सपोज LCD कनेक्टेड है पोर्ट 1 पे, उसमें मुझे डिस्प्ले करना है. ठीक है, so I will just say simply move port 1, A, that's it. तो मैं सीरियली रिसीव कर रहा हूँ, पैरेलली बाहर भेज रहा हूँ, that's it. Are you getting it? ठीक है, I will just say move P1, A. हाँ, and after transferring data to the port 1, क्या करूँ फिर से? एक चीज करना रह गया क्या? RI 1 हुआ है, and if you want to receive the next data, तो फिर इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? RI को
array 0,
क्लियर करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. So once I transmit this one, or you may say once you do this move a comma s of here also you can do the CLR RI, otherwise after this one also you can do the CLR RI, because उसको मुझे क्लियर करना पड़ेगा so that we can confirm कि मतलब नेक्स्ट वाला डेटा भी आएगा वो कंफर्म करने के लिए, ठीक है. So I will just say CLR RI and that's it, खत्म. I will just say sjump here and then here once again will be over here to check whether we have received the next character or not. Getting it? We are jumping to the same location again. ठीक है. So this is what we just received one character. उसके बाद हम से s jump here, तो यहाँ पे आएगा फिर से चेक करेगा आ रहा है 0 आएगा 0 आएगा 0 मतलब उधर रहेगा मतलब डेटा रिसीव हो रहा है, जैसे 1 होगा फिर से it will just translate, ठीक है. So this is how it will just continuously keep on scanning कि डेटा आया कि नहीं, जैसे ही डेटा आएगा उठाएगा डालेगा किधर पोर्ट 1 पे, ठीक है. So this is how we just receive data serially continuously on that RX pin and will transmit to the port 1. Understood how to write a receive का program?
yes sir.
ठीक है. Now do one thing. Now once again just थोड़ा सा प्रोग्राम में थोड़ा सा चेंज कर दो. Now I want you to write, ठीक है. करना क्या है, once again we have to receive a data, second task receive का प्रोग्राम है, ठीक है. We have to receive serially, fine. After that put data on port 0, ठीक है. And whatever we are keep on receiving that we have to keep on storing क्या करो store the data from 60 location onwards, ठीक है. देख क्या करो हमें 60 तो ले सपोज 40 ले लो. you have to receive a data serially receive करना है, fine. उसके बाद whatever data is received, ठीक है. you have to display it on the port 0 पे ले सपोज कुछ तो 1 second display वहां पे डिस्प्ले करना है, ठीक है. and you have to keep a record also, मतलब क्या क्या रिसीव हुआ है ना, that you have to store from 40 location on, ठीक है. 40 location on से स्टोर करना है, ठीक है. come on write program for this, write a program टू रिसीव डेटा, उसको पैरेलल डिस्प्ले भी करना है एंड जो भी डेटा आएगा हर एक का मैं रिकॉर्ड रखेगा, तो उन सबको मैं सेव करके रखेगा इंटरनल रैम में, ठीक है. डू इट एंड गिव मी द आंसर. कम ऑन एनीवन, once again take a 5 minute and with the answer for this one. सीरियली रिसीव करना है, once again पोर्ट 0 पे भी डेटा सेंड करना है एंड इंटरनल रैम में 40 ऑनवर्ड्स मुझे स्टोर करना है. It's very simple. Come on, do it. Simple program. And you will have IA2 based on this one. Okay, we are having one program for based on timer and one based on the serial communication. Fine. Yes, program it. It is important. I'm giving time for programming, not for time pass. So do it. God. Anyone getting the answer? Yeah, help me in the programming. चलो help करो. कैसे लिखूं? Yes, help me. Answer, help me. Start करो. Come on, at least help me. Wrong है तो बोलूंगा मैं. चलो come on.
Tmod, hash 20.
Yes. Move Tmod पहली बार कोई तो लड़का बोला. Thank God. Move Tmod hash 20h. ठीक है. After that, move
T1 and TH1,
th1 hash
0
fdh.
FDH.
ठीक है. Then move.
SCON.
Yeah, is call is SCON. It's not SCON. Serial control. Fine.
Hash 50.
50h. Then टाइमर को चालू करना बोलूंगा. सेट भी TR1.
TR1.
आफ्टर दैट अभी रिसीव करना है तो
सेट आ रहा है.
नो JNB सेट आरएन नहीं कर सकता. आरएन सेट है ऑलरेडी बिकॉज व्हेनेवर इट इज एसकॉन 50 ना तो आरएन सेट है रिसीव अनेबल्ड है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? बिकॉज वो 50 नंबर वैसे ही मिला था. वी हैव जस्ट मेड दैट आरएन इज इक्वल टू 1, रिसीव्ड इज अनेबल्ड, रिसीविंग इज अनेबल्ड. ठीक है. सो आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू चेक फॉर द JNB RI here रिसीव हुआ कि नहीं, रिसीव हुआ कि नहीं. जैसे RI बन होगा तो रिसीव हुआ. सो इट विल जस्ट कम आउट ऑफ दिस वन. सो व्हाट वी टू डू इज दैट फ्रॉम दैट S go for you have to take data in A. Why I'm taking in A? because A से मैं दुनिया में किधर भी डाल सकता हूँ डेटा, किधर भी ट्रांसमिट कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है. so that's why I'm normally taking in A. ठीक है. so I'm just saying move A comma S1. after that now we have to move to the port 0, so I will just say move P0 comma A. ठीक है. but what we have to store in it internal RAM as well. We have to store in internal RAM as well. तो यहाँ पे मुझे actually have to take one more register. So I will just say move यहाँ पे लिखो, otherwise इसके पहले लिखो. ठीक है. move let's suppose R0 hash 40h. ठीक है. move R0 hash 40h. fine. yeah. then data serial receive किया A में, A से मैंने port
R0,
transfer किया. yeah. move @R0 A. ठीक है. after that
क्लियर आ रहा है.
sorry
क्लियर आ रहा है.
is increment R0 also because अभी जो next data आएगा I want to store at the next location. Are you get it? CLR आ रहा है तो करना ही है. ठीक है. इस RI is not R1, is a receive interrupt. RI means receive interrupt, it's not R1. ठीक है. so I will just say move @R0 A मतलब वो 40 पे store होगा. ठीक है. उसके बाद I want to store the next data in the 41, so I'm saying increment R1 and उसके बाद I will just say that CLR RI and then you can say S jump here. समझ में अभी इधर जाएगा. and now this will just continue. have you understood? is the program clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. so this is how we will be this is how we can receive as well as transmit the data, so that both we have seen. Getting it? Okay. so in a serial communication we have seen how to transfer a single character, then how to transmit a word, then how to transmit that entire message, and then we have seen how to receive as well as and how to store it in the internal, or you can store in external RAM as well. Okay. here we have just considered only the internal RAM, but if you want you may just go for external RAM as well. Getting it? Okay. so these are this kind of programming you may expect in serial communication. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ बाहर नहीं पूछेंगे, but yeah, that's it. so that's the programming regarding the serial communication. ठीक है. so here we have completed serial communication as well. ठीक है. तो अभी 8051 में से just एक ही टॉपिक बाकी है, that is interrupt in 8051, and that will be covering in the next week. तो अपना सिलेबस भी खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है. so in 8051 we have seen lot of things guys. मजाक में बहुत सीखे. starting में 8051 का just features, then block diagram, then memory organization, then addressing mode, then instruction set, then programming, then क्या सीखा या timer, then we have seen interfacing में भी बहुत सारा देखा है. stepper motor, keyboard, ADC, DAC, 7 segment, बहुत कुछ देखा है. ठीक है. then we have seen memory interfacing as well. then now we are seeing serial communication, and now the last topic is going to be the interrupt. That's all regarding 805. so we are going to cover entire syllabus. Fine. so in the next week we just deal with the interrupts in 8051 and the program related to it. Fine. so that's all regarding serial communication. close ही कर देता हूँ, नहीं जाने दो. Fine. Let me just download the attendance again and stop the recording.